Hello everyone, Ranjita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a simple tutorial. I am going to show you how to make a resin bookmark using alcohol inks. Alcohol inks are so vibrant and so much in trend right now. I am going to show you how to make this colorful, vibrant bookmark using alcohol inks. So first I am here using this Craft Junction resin. You could use any art resin that is available and you're comfortable with. But every time you use resin, make sure that you follow the manufacturer's instructions and use proper ratios while mixing resins. So here, according to the manufacturer's instructions, I am taking resin here. First the part A and then I will be mixing part B in it. But to my convenience, I prefer mixing both of them at once since I've been using resin from quite a long time. I'm quite confident with my ratios, but in case if you're not, make sure that you take both the parts in different containers first, weigh them properly and then mix them together. So here you can see I'm done by taking enough proportions of part A and part B. Now I'm carefully mixing it. Now what you have to keep in mind is that this video is not in its original speed. It is definitely sped up. So this is not how fast I mix my resin. I am usually very slow while I mix my resin, because if you mix it very fast you will end up incorporating a lot of bubbles and then it will be a tough time to get rid of those bubbles. So for good results, make sure that you mix your resin very patiently and very slowly, preferably in just one direction. So as you can see here, I've mixed my resin properly. Let it settle for a while so that all the bubbles are removed. And now here I'm taking a bookmark mold here and then I'm carefully pouring my resin onto the bookmark mold. These are very quick and easy gifts to make. You could also make them and gift them and send it along with other gifts, or else you could make these simple bookmarks and sell them as well. Now as you can see here, I do not have too many bubbles, but in case if you think you have one or two bubbles, make sure that you use a heat gun or a flame over it and get rid of all the bubbles before you move on to the next step. Now for the next step, what I'm doing is I'm taking alcohol inks and I'm just carefully dropping them. Now this is a very soothing and a wonderful process. You can just play around with your inks, and the moment the ink comes in contact with the resin, it automatically flows and spreads. So this is not a technique where you have too much control. So make sure that you take time and add your ink, and don't be in a haste and add too much of ink at once. So give the ink some time to settle and spread, and then you add more and more colors. Now to make this technique more vibrant, you definitely need white ink, alcohol ink, but here in this case I do not have white alcohol ink unfortunately, but even otherwise this technique is very beautiful. So once I've done dropping my blue ink, now I'm going ahead and using this yellow alcohol ink and randomly dropping it. So as you can see, wherever the yellow and blue come in contact, you have a slight greenish shade also emerging in through the resin. Unfortunately, it is very difficult to capture this on camera. I tried it with a white background as well, but I thought this was the best I could do. Now after this, I'm going ahead and adding some red ink as well. But if you use white ink, this effect is going to be enhanced because the white alcohol ink apparently has a heavier weight. So that is the reason the white alcohol ink seeps in much more deeper through the resin and gives a very beautiful look. Next time when I get my hands on some white alcohol ink, I will definitely show you. It looks beautiful when you use it in your resin jewelry as well. So you can play around with these inks as long as you want, but this was where I stopped and I'm kind of satisfied. So here you can see the side view as well. You can just add a little drops of ink here and there, and if you want some more blending to happen, you can take your blending solution and add few drops of it here and there, in case if you think that your inks have not blending, or they have merged too much. But make sure that you stop playing at some point, because the more and more colors you add, depending on the shades you have chosen, it might become a little muddy. So make sure you keep that in mind. For today's project, I am using these Craft Junction alcohol inks. These are highly pigmented and very, very vibrant colors. I am using some black alcohol ink here, and I'm just dropping few drops of black here and there, just to bring all of them together and give it a galaxy-like effect. If you want, you could use a toothpick to blend in the colors more, but usually that is not necessary. Once you're happy with all your colors, make sure you give it enough time for the resin to settle in a dust-free zone. And once your resin is completely dried, now it is the time to demold it. So here I am carefully removing the mold, and a beautiful, colorful, vibrant bookmark is ready. You could leave it like this as such, or you could go ahead and personalize it further. You can also add a beautiful tassel to it to make it more beautiful. So this was my little bookmark today. This is how I played with alcohol inks. So here you can see the close-up images of the finished bookmark. Like I told you, you could leave it here, or you could beautify it more by adding a tassel to it. Or I would take you one step further and I will show you how to personalize it. So here I have a metallic marker, and I'm just writing a simple quote here that says happy reading. You could also write your name, or the person whom you would like to gift it, you could write their names as well. The ideas are endless, but what I want to say is you could take a permanent metallic marker here and just customize it, in case if you do not have too many supplies to customize it. So here is my finished bookmark with a little personalization. I hope you liked this tutorial, and you will also definitely give it a try. So this was my project for today, a simple bookmark using alcohol inks and resin. I'm sure you liked this video. I will be back soon with another interesting technique and crafty video. Until then, stay connected. Bye.